Her first time. Oh boy.
Ouch, right there.
She needs some serious. So relax. We gotta go gentle. Yeah. Hello. That's normal. Lock the doors, guys. Gosh, that was jeez. That's gonna blow out the mic. Oh my God. She was so quiet all day.
I'm sorry.
Oh man.
Oh my God, I'm so glad I zoomed in on that one.
That was probably crack of the year right there. How'd that feel though?
Oh, good.
That was good. I'll go lighter on this one too, okay? Yeah, see? That's good.
Hey, probably turned out screaming on that one.
Breathe. She's gonna sleep good tonight. So we're gonna bring you here.
Oh.
That was good too. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so it's right in here. Let's let it go.